Today we'll be looking at cool tips about PixelLab for graphics design, especially for those using Android and for graphics designers who would love to design with their phones. Now, we'll show you cool tips about this app in a jiffy. Open up the app. The first thing you see is the interface, and one of the cool tips I want to show you now is the quotation tab right up there. You see the quotation mark in circle. Now when you click on it, you notice there are already quotations right there, and you can either swap either English or French, depends on your preferred language. So I prefer English. Click on motivation. Other tabs follows it up, and which you can use for your graphics design. Now the next one I'll show you is the full screen mode for PixelLab. I know a lot of people are having difficulty. They want to only view their designs alone. So what you have to do is to click on the three tabs up there, and once you click on it, you'll see the full screen option there. You click on it, and that is the full screen option. Now the next one is the zoom in extent for your PixelLab, and I had a lot of questions previously during a training section that they can't zoom into their design even when they try to pinch into the design. And one of the things you need to do is click on this zoom magnifier up there. Once you click on it, you can easily zoom into your design by pinching in with your two fingers inwards and outwards, inwards and outwards. You can either pan it, and notice the two bars right there, the one by the right hand side and the one by the left hand side, which is for panning, which you can use for panning if you want to. Okay, now the next is how to insert current date, especially when you want to just put it on your design instead of typing it orally. So all you have to do is to click on the plus sign up there. Once you click on it, you'll see current date, and you can move it around your design screen. You can either zoom, you can double tap to change the font by clicking this TT up there, and you can change it, you can retype it if you want to. 5th April 2022, click on OK, and you just play around with it around your screen. The next cool tip I want to show is the draw tool. All you have to do is click on there, the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, click on draw. Downwards in the design tab, you will notice some options to fill the inside, dash line, and neon effects, and the radius and all of those settings are there. So you can choose the color that you want to use. You can decide to use the red. You can even choose to add some colors to do the sketch design, and you can also increase the pen size for your design, add some neon effects, and also some dash lines, which you see, and some fill effects to just make it look nicer. So these guys is some cool tips about PixelLab, which most users don't know about. Like, share, and subscribe only on Softgear.